Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to remove unwanted space in Microsoft Excel sheet document. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open an example Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see I have a Microsoft Excel sheet where you can see some of my digit or text is with space, which is make very annoying for calculation or etc. things. How you can easily remove tired sheet or tired column or remove space. For that, anywhere you put your mouse and then click in your keyboard Ctrl H, and then you see there will be a new screen appear which might looks like this. Go in replace tab and here find it, make it one space, and then the second row make it empty, and then click here replace all. So when you click replace all, you will see all the text, all the spaces removed. So this is how you can easily remove. Let me show you again. What you have to do if you want to remove all this space, just in your keyboard press Ctrl H and it's going to open a screen which is called find and replace. In the first find what, make it one space, and then second one keep as it is, and then click here replace all, and it's going to be magically delete all the space. So this is how you can easily remove unwanted space in Microsoft Excel. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.